The time has come for cruising.
Cruising weather is upon us.
Whoop,
Let's
whoop.
go.
Let's go.
Well, hello everybody, here we are.
It's VW Harvest weekend, and today starts the weekend off with
The Volkswagen Cruise to Top Notch, and here we are. We got Matt Jackson, the Bearded Wonder, myself, we got Tommy with a Y, and there's old Jake down on the end down there. Boys, are y'all ready for the cruise today?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's do it.
That's right. We got about 100 Volkswagens. We're north of Austin. We're going to head down to the famous Top Notch Hamburgers, and we're going to just have a good old time today.
Join us for the cruise today, and as we invade Top Notch tonight, it's going to be unbelievable. The night before the harvest, let's go.
We're here today with Conrad and Martin. Whoop. Conrad is our aficionado, our Mr. Man in charge of aircoolers.org. I want everyone to go visit that. I'll put a link right here below. Sign up and join our forum. You guys ready to cruise?
Yes,
absolutely.
Let's do it.
I am from Austin, Texas, born and raised actually. This will be the first time actually doing the drive actually.
Which car's yours?
Mine is the white 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle, and then my dad is right next to me. His is a 74 Standard Beetle actually.
You and your dad, huh?
Always.
Awesome.
Blue Beetle and Casper.
This is Ryan, and what year is your Fox?
89 Fox.
Very nice.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hey, nice buzz. Is this a Porsche?
Yes, sir. It's a Volkswagen.
It's a Volkswagen. I love it. Did you paint it?
No, it says wrap.
Oh, it's a wrap. It's beautiful. Looks great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Time for the driver's meeting for the cruise.
This is actually really exciting. Last year we had about 100 VWs. We're going to get close to that today. And what are we doing here?
And we have instructions in case you get lost.
Instructions.
Like, if you don't have a one of those phones that has a map on it, if your Garmin is broken,
So
you can use one of these.
it's old school.
Yeah. Drivers meeting. And then we'll drive from there down the really cool road, Spicewood Springs, and I hope everybody can make it up the hill on Spicewood.
Oh yeah. BBS's. The time has come for cruising.
Cruising weather is upon us.
Whoop,
Let's
whoop.
go.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
VWLIFE B-roll.
Yeah,
B-roll, Conrad. Hey!
Flyboy in the house.
Y'all getting a count? Yeah. Y'all be careful. Oh, it's always so much fun.
Oh yes. As Gary was saying, this is one of our highlights. You know, we always question whether we should do this every year, but now we're like, this is awesome.
When you're in the middle of it, it's like, it's just, there's so much planning, and it's a lot of work, but when it's just this payoff of seeing people together. I was standing on top of Jerry, and I look out, and it's like, those people are here because of us, and because of the Volkswagen community, and this is what it's all about, man. I mean, if you don't do it,
no one else is going to do it.
that's right, it doesn't get done. And then, you know, we're so fortunate to have such a thriving community here in Central Texas.
And great weather, and let's just do this. Gary forgot the route. I've got to look up the route on our Facebook page. Well, we just stopped at the high school for a little photo op, and
Well, actually, it's a middle school, Matt Jackson.
beautiful weather today. Photo op completed, and now it's time to hit Top Notch Hamburgers.
Yep, we're going to go on the prettiest part of the journey here in just a second. Spicewood Springs Road.
That big cloud of dust, that's New Jersey.
Volkswagen Life, baby.
All right, we have made it to Top Notch Hamburgers.
There's already cars in the grass.
Oh, there are a lot of Volkswagens here already, and there's about to be 70 or 80 more.
Hey, y'all made it. Was it exciting?
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
I'm engaged, and I'll be 48 next month.
Congratulations, Clayton.
Thank you, man.
Buenos dias. Hello. How are you?
my friend. How are you doing?
My name's Jake. What's yours?
My name is Edward.
So, welcome to the Harvest.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So, tell me about your bus.
Well, this is an old 1981 Mexican bay window bus. I actually kind of like restored it. It's just a real job.
Yeah, I hear you.
It's
Roadsteration.
Right, that's a restoration because this is my daily driver. I drive this every day to work and all that stuff. This is like practically my only car. I have just another bug, and I love this because it's really comfortable and all that stuff. I practically put everything new: shocks, suspension, brakes. The engine is practically new. You should really see it because it's an upright engine.
So it's upright. So it's an 81, but still air cooled, and it's upright and everything.
That's right.
Awesome. And
Yeah,
did you drive up here for the Harvest from Mexico?
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
What part of Mexico?
Monterrey, Mexico.
Awesome. We're gonna put that on the map so people are gonna see where that is to
Yeah.
get here.
Yes.
That's awesome. So I'm looking at your shirt here. Forgive my gringo, but I do not speak Spanish. What's it say?
Oh, it says Vocho Talacha. It's like Vocho is what bug is called in
Beatles,
Spanish,
yeah.
and Talacha is like, working out or wrenching around.
Okay, so working on Beatles kind of deal.
That's-
Vocha Talacho.
Talacha.
Talacha.
Uh-huh.
So Vocho Talacha.
About 200,000 subscribers.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. So Vocho Talacha.
Right.
They're on VWLIFers. If you know us, you should know them too because they're working on Beatles, and as you know, we work on Volkswagens too.
Top Notch Award. First of all, we would like to thank you all very much for being here today at Top Notch. And thank the guys at Top Notch for having us here. Thank you guys. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the hostess with the mostest, Kelly. He says we're all number one. Number one. Yay, us. So Kelly, thanks for having us here again. We always appreciate it. Thanks for your hospitality.
Thank y'all for coming, and thanks for the scramble to move those cars earlier. Bad neighbors, I can't do anything about it. This is a good turnout. Just so y'all know, almost every single employee working tonight has never seen this, and they were blown away because we have so many new people rolling through. So this has become their favorite night. And this crowd is way nicer than some of the other car crowds we have that come in here. Looking at you, Ferb, where are you? No, just kidding. So thank y'all. This is one of our favorite nights of the year. Really appreciate it. What year is this?
11.
11 here at Top Notch. So we've owned Top Notch for 13 years, and this has been going for 11. So that's a pretty good run. Thank you.
We always give Kelly the honor of picking the top-notch Volkswagen of the night. And so, Kelly, you have chosen a Volkswagen.
Well, let me shout out to the trophy and our trophy guy here. Look at that. So there's a car here that I've avoided for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years just because of politics and people and all the things. But this year I'm going to have to go with Bill's 56. Bill's here, Moon's here somewhere. help a little bit with that, I think. Congratulations. Thank you. I saw Bill's car crashed on the side of the road coming home from Fredericksburg. How many years ago was that?
9 or 10 years.
9 or 10 years ago, and look at it now. It's perfect.
All right, congratulations to Bill, and thank you, Kelly, and thank you, Top Notch.
I hope y'all are out there living the VW life. We hope to see you at the next harvest if you weren't at this one. But if you're at this one, awesome. Glad we saw you. See you next time, VW Lifers. Time to go home and get some sleep.
Well, boys, it's been quite a night here at Top Notch.
It was fancy and fun.
Fancy and fun's right.
A lot of Volkswagens, everybody having a good time. We did the cruise, everybody ate some good burgers, had some apple pies, been sitting around bench racing, having a good time, and then tomorrow is the big show. Huge show, humongous. It's ginormous. Tomorrow is the Volkswagen Harvest, but tonight, of course, is the cruise-in night here. We had a great time. And we just want to say thank y'all for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. That's what it is. Go out there and put the show together and have some fun and get everybody together. It's all about the Volkswagen community. Thank you guys for joining us.
And check out allmetricgarage.com.
Yeah.
This will be available as of next week.
Yes. All Metric Garage. Make sure you check us out, everybody. We sure appreciate y'all joining us. Make sure you tell your friends and everybody. We appreciate it.
I'm so excited to be a member of the VW Life community. Finally. It's going to be so awesome.
Oh, your dreams have come true.
People are going to see me and go like, "You're a VW Lifer." I'm like, "Yeah." And I also do straight axle dubs.